Artificial intelligence is changing our world. Two fascinating examples of AI are chatbots and AI agents. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they are not the same. It's like comparing a bicycle to a spaceship. Both can transport you, but their capabilities are vastly different. This essay will explore the distinctions between chatbots and AI agents. We'll uncover their unique functionalities, capabilities, and use cases. By the end, you'll be able to confidently differentiate between these two AI marvels. Chatbots are like friendly robots designed to chat with us. They use pre-programmed rules and simple AI. This allows them to understand and respond to our questions in a conversational way. Imagine you are on a shopping website. You might encounter a chatbot offering help. This helpful bot can answer questions about products, track your order, or even suggest items you might like. Chatbots are great for simple tasks. They are available 24/7, providing instant responses. This makes them ideal for customer service, basic information retrieval, and even entertainment. AI agents are a different breed altogether. Think of them as highly intelligent digital assistants. These agents possess advanced reasoning and learning abilities. They can perform complex tasks, learn from their experiences, and even make decisions with minimal human intervention. Unlike chatbots, AI agents go beyond simple conversations. For example, imagine an AI agent managing your smart home. It learns your preferences, adjusts the thermostat, and even starts your coffee just the way you like it, all without you lifting a finger. AI agents excel in dynamic and unpredictable environments. That's why they're used in areas like self-driving cars, financial trading, and even medical diagnosis. Section 4, AI agents versus chatbots, spotting the differences. The key difference lies in their capabilities. Chatbots are confined to predefined rules and simple interactions. They excel at handling routine tasks and providing quick answers. AI agents, on the other hand, are far more autonomous and adaptable. They can learn from their experiences, make complex decisions, and handle a wider range of tasks. Think of it this way: a chatbot is like a friendly waiter who can take your order and serve you efficiently. An AI agent is more like a skilled chef who can understand your tastes, create new dishes, and manage the entire kitchen seamlessly. Section 5. Conclusion: Embracing the future of AI. Both chatbots and AI agents play vital roles in our increasingly AI-driven world. They are transforming industries, making our lives easier, and opening up new possibilities. Understanding their differences allows us to appreciate their unique strengths and harness their potential to the fullest. As AI technology continues to advance, we can only expect even more sophisticated and capable chatbots and AI agents to emerge. These advancements will undoubtedly lead to more exciting breakthroughs and innovations, shaping the future in ways we can only begin to imagine.